Hello everyone, hope you're doing very good. Today we're going to see one of the interesting compact house and it has really come out well in terms of exterior design theme and all the interior atmosphere. So this house situated on a 26 feet by 42 feet plot facing a south side. As you step inside the house, you will find a car parking area that measures 10 feet by 16 feet. On the right side of the compound wall, we have used a jolly design to filter the view and the privacy and to create a warm ambience. Moving forward, we are entering the hall area, which is 12 feet by 11 feet 6 inch space that is not restricted by any walls. Hence, we can utilize the entire 22 feet for a common area. And to visually divide the hall and courtyard area, we have added an interesting jolly partition with MS work and terracotta jolly. One of my favorite features in this house is seating area that is connected to all the areas in the staircase. So we are entering low height common toilet space. Below the staircase measures around 3.75 feet by 6.75 feet, which is very compact, and the space above the toilet can be utilized for a greenery. Moving on to the kitchen area, it measures around 8 feet by 11 feet, and we have included a breakfast counter, dishwasher, oven and an ample storage space with an interesting color theme. The courtyard space features a fountain with a stone themed area where you can enjoy the sunlight and natural atmosphere. Next, we move on to the bedroom area, which measures around 10 feet by 11 feet. This bedroom features a wood and white theme with a wooden platform where you can place the bed directly onto the wooden floor. Moving on to the first floor, we have two bedrooms and spacious curvy lounge with cutouts that provides a good light ventilation. The lounge area can be converted into a private living area where you can just sit and relax with your closed one. The north side bedroom measures 15 feet by 11 feet and it includes inbuilt study area with a glass door and a partition. The upper floor bedrooms also features bay window seater where you can enjoy the outside views for the both bedrooms. The wardrobe space before entering the toilet measures around 4 feet 6 by 6 feet and it is fully utilized for a storage. This toilet space measures around 6 feet by 5 feet 9 inch and the wet and dry area are divided to maintain the toilet properly. Moving on to the other side of the bedroom, which measures around 13 feet 6 inch by 12 feet 6 inch, which looks like square visually. We have used beige and white theme that gives a taste of gold due to the warm lighting. We have used wooden planks on the ceiling to add sense of luxury to the space. And this attached toilet measures around 5 feet 8 inch by 8 feet and we have divided the wet and dry area with a glass partition that includes decent storage space without disturbing the circulation. Finally, as we step onto the stairs area, we see a glass covered roof with a smaller pocket opening on the side wall areas to release the hot air. The front and back sides are covered with a interesting roofing. It can be used as gatherings and to enjoy the evening time or the night time. I hope you find this walkthrough engaging and informative. Please hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed it. And if you want to ask any question, please be free to leave a comment. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.